Good day everyone, we are the Group 8 and here we are to report the data analysis of the highest ocean plastic waste polluters. This report analyzes data which illustrate the highest ocean plastic waste polluters. The image presents a visual representation of the annual estimation in metric tons of plastic waste contributed by various countries. This report aims to summarize the key findings and implications of this data.
Image data highlights the following key contributors to ocean plastic waste. Philippines, the largest contributor with 356,371 metric tons annually. This reflects challenges in waste collection and disposal, particularly in coastal and river system. India, second highest with 126,513 metric tons, like to rapid urbanization and insufficient recycling infrastructure. Rest of the world collectively contributes 176,012 metric tons, showing that while many countries and to the problem, a few nations account for the majority. Malaysia, 73,098 metric tons. China, 70,707 metric tons. Indonesia, 56,333 metric tons. Myanmar, 40,000 metric tons. Brazil, 37,799 metric tons. Vietnam, 28,221 metric tons. Bangladesh, 24,640 metric tons, and Thailand, 22,806 metric tons.
Top polluters. The Philippines is identified as the highest contributors to ocean plastic waste, significantly exceeding the other countries listed. Regional concentration. A significant portion of the pollution originates from Asian countries, indicating regional challenges in waste management. Global issue. The rest of the world category contributes a substantial amount, highlighting that ocean plastic waste is a widespread global problem. Implication. Environmental impact. Ocean plastic waste poses severe threats to marine ecosystem, including entanglement of marine life, ingestion, and plastic by animals and habitat destruction. Economic impact. Pollution affects fisheries, tourism, and other industries dependent on public health. Microplastic can enter the food chain, potentially impacting human health.
The data presented in the image underscores the urgent need for effective strategies to reduce ocean plastic waste. Addressing this issue requires concerted efforts from governments, industries, communities, and individuals to protect marine ecosystem and ensure a sustainable future.